friends, today this video is about making the finishing edges to the Filet Crochet Hearts curtain valance, and also how to put the curtain rod casing for this curtain valance. And I am using a mainstays 28 to 48 tension rod, and this is 7/16 of an inch in diameter. After all, we will finish this side of the curtain valance. Single crochet on each and every stitch. Then 3 single crochets into the next space. That was 1, 2, 3, and 3 single crochets on the next space. Then, when you reach the corner, to begin the top of the curtain valance, then you chain 5, and single crochet on the same space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next space, repeat chain 3 single crochet on the next space all the way across up to the last corner space. I'll do a few more, so chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next space, chain 3 single crochet on the next space, chain 3 single crochet on the next space, when you reach the space just before the corner space, then you chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the corner space, and turn. Then we will make slip stitch 1, 2, 3. We chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space. Chain 2, single crochet on the next chain 3 space. Chain 2, single crochet on the next space, and repeat all the way across. Chain 2, single crochet on the next space, After making the last single crochet on the corner space, then turn the work, and we are going to make the curtain rod loop for the curtain rod to go through. So we are going to make a loop made up of chain 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then single crochet on the same loop that the single crochet is attached, which is the corner space. Chain 2, single crochet on the next space twice. So that was 1. So chain 2, single crochet on the next space. This is the second. Then chain 20, 1, 2. last chain 20 loop is hooked onto the corner space right there. After the last chain 20 loop at the corner, then 3 single crochet on every space all the way across. And we will hide the tail of the yarn as we crochet over space. So we lay the yarn, the tail of the yarn parallel to the space. We stretch it so that it's not pulled tight, and then single crochet at the base of the next double crochets. So it looks like that. Now we can fasten off and cut the yarn. Now we are going to weave in the tail of yarn, and then we will be done. we are ready to hang this in our favorite window, whichever window in the house. This is a lot smaller. I only have 3 hearts in this project because this is just for showing you all how to do the finishing edging. So let us thread it on the curtain rod. So there is no right side or wrong side on this. So here we'll thread it on the curtain rod. So there is no specific way to do this. And you already seen the valance hanging on my window on my previous videos. And so that's the way it looks. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy this curtain valance.